Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 250G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 250G8 can't hold a charge and dies unexpectedly, you're not alone. This is a common issue caused by battery wear and tear over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to frustrating moments where your laptop shuts down just when you need it most, potentially resulting in data loss or damage to your system. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and of course, a new battery specifically designed for the HP 250G8. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. To open the laptop safely, start by flipping it over and locating the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them, and be careful to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam of the back panel and carefully pry it open. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the battery, which is usually situated towards the bottom half of the device. It will be a rectangular component with a connector attached. To remove the old battery, start by disconnecting the cable carefully. You may need to use the spudger to lift the connector gently. Once the cable is free, look for any screws holding the battery in place, typically found on either side. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, applying steady but gentle pressure. Lift the battery out, ensuring you're not tugging on any nearby components. Place the new battery in position, making sure it aligns properly with the screw holes and connector. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed and reconnect the cable carefully, ensuring it's snug but not overly tight. When everything is back in place, gently reattach the back panel, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Replace all the screws to secure the panel, making sure they are tightened properly but not over-tightened, as this could cause damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from arising in the future, make sure to avoid extreme temperatures and always use your laptop on a flat, hard surface. Regularly checking the battery health through your system settings can also help you stay ahead of potential issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.